Hello everyone, welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, since last some days we are arranging news club show, but today I am going to arrange a story club show. And in story club show we are going to take one story every day. Dear friends, today we are going to listen the story of Akbar and Birbal. And I know all the students like stories of Akbar and Birbal. Birbal was very clever person, and Akbar was a king. Akbar was an emperor, and now I am going to tell you the story. One day, Akbar was enjoying his sleep. One day at night, Akbar was enjoying his sleep, but what happened while enjoying his sleep, he came a bad dream. And in that dream, his all teeth were fallen, and just one teeth remained in his mouth. And by this dream, Akbar became very sad. Akbar became very sorrowful. So on the next day, he called all the astrologers. He called all the astrologers in his court, and he asked one by one that he told them that last night he had a dream, and in that dream his all teeth were fallen and just one teeth remained in his mouth. So what is the reason behind this, or what can happen due to this dream? Then one by one all the astrologers came to Akbar, and they said that the meaning of this dream is that all your relatives are going to die very soon, and only you will live for many days. You will live long, and all your relatives will die very soon. And all the astrologers told him the same thing, and due to this, once again Akbar became very sad. Akbar became very sorrowful. Akbar became restless. Then all the astrologers went away, and Akbar had thought that he will give a gift to the astrologer who will tell him good reason of this dream. But he did not like the reasons told by all these astrologers, so he did not give gift to anybody. Then all the astrologers went away. So the whole day now Akbar was very sad. Akbar was very nervous. Akbar was very disappointed. Akbar was very upset because he was thinking about his relatives. And we also, when somebody tells us that all your relatives are going to die, at that time we become very sorrowful, because we cannot live alone, because we are not a beast that we will live alone. We need family, we need children, we need relatives. And so we alone cannot be happy in life. So Akbar also was very sad, very sorrowful. All the day he was not able to concentrate on anything. He was not taking food, he was not drinking water, he was not speaking with anybody. He was just thinking about his dream. And that night now he was not able to enjoy his sleep. He was awake all the night. Then next day he thought that he will call Birbal. Then he called Birbal, and he told Birbal about his bad dream. He told Birbal that I had a dream last night, and in that dream my all teeth are fallen and just one teeth remained into my mouth. Then what is the reason behind this? Then Birbal was very clever person. Birbal told Akbar that sir, you don't worry about it. I will tell you the real reason behind it. It means that you will live long, and all your desires will come true. You will be able to fulfill all your desires, and your relatives desires will not be fulfilled. Means your relatives desires will be fulfilled, but all the desires of your relatives will not be fulfilled. This is the reason of that dream, or this is the meaning of that dream. He interpreted the meaning of the dream. He told Akbar that the desires of your relatives will not be fulfilled. Some desires will be fulfilled, but all the desires will not be fulfilled, and your all desires will be fulfilled. Means Birbal told the same thing to Akbar, but he told this thing in a different way. He did not tell Akbar that your relatives will die soon. He just told him that all the desires of your relatives will not be fulfilled, and your all desires will be fulfilled. Then Akbar became very happy, and Akbar became normal. Now his sorrow disappeared. Now he became normal, he became happy, and he gave reward to Birbal. He gave gift to Birbal. And this is the story of Akbar and Birbal. Dear students, now we are going to discuss stories every day, and I will come here with some story every day, and this story will be interesting for you, or I assure you that you will like this story. If you like this video, please like it, comment on it, share it, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thanks a lot.